Right, this is the start of putting in the inner wing, the wheel arch and all the trim. You'll see that when you come round this side that I've attached to the door the locking mechanism, and I've got the locking mechanism here, and you can see that everything lines up at the bottom. I've put a temporary fixing, not with pop rivets or anything, but all round, so that everything is lined up. I've got the bottom edge clamped because I still need a little bit of movement to and fro on that to get my gaps right. Now this is fixed. Why I've done it like this is so that I can get access in here to get the spot weldings done, and to get the wheel arch spot welded to the body. All my lineup here is good, and I've got the light pocket in so I can line up all of that. I'm now going to attach the wing onto it and just check my door gaps, and then some of these welds can be made permanent. Now with the wing off, I can start the spot welding around here. I've got access from the top. I can use the spot welding head that I've got. I can get into all of this, but the next thing I've got to do, because I can take the spare wheel out, and these sides here, I'll take them out, then I can get the spot welding all the way along this edge here. I can get that all done, and both sides. So I'll take the actual spare wheel carrier right out, spot weld all that. This spot welder, I can reach over things like this and get round, and I've spot welded into the corner and round here. That's all spot welded, and that can also reach into here, so that is done. This is just still got the temporary fixings on both sides, but I've spot welded where I can reach. That's ready to be lifted out now and spot welded completely. Then I'll be able to put the wheel arch in, check the gaps, and then I can spot weld this in. It's slightly canted at the moment. I can level that off. Well, that's the side panels welded in as far as I can go. That is right there round. Now that can be put in onto the chassis and the height adjusted. Then the next, as you can see, I've lifted the wheel arch off there. I'll be able to get in again with the spot welder, reach all of these as far as I can, and then get the others from the top. Everything, as you can see, I've taken all the paint off to allow the good contact, or as best a contact I can. That's the inner wing spot welded in, and the end panel already. Right, I've got the tank fitted in. I've got these repair sections that I've made for the side here. I put the boot lid on to check my gaps, which a minor tweak, and I'm ready to go. But I've now that I've tested that, I've got to spot weld the two corners where the body here fixes on, and everything is square. So the final spot welding of this at the top here has got to be done. That's got to be, and then that is permanently fixed. Then I've just got this gap to sort out, and then we're ready to go. Well, here we've got the all tacked in, these infills that I've made, save changing the whole of the rear deck. Same this side, all ready. these are spot welded in from the ends, and it's starting to take shape. It's a long time since it's looked like a TR4. It's beginning now. I've got to shot blast the boot lid and then finish the welding, and then I can do a bit of filling. I've set up this spot welder. This is a single phase spot welder, and I've put a flexible head on there, and this one which gives me a little bit of room for manoeuvre, and I'll show you how I've done the bottom part of the. You can see how it's reached round I've got the one side where the weld will be, and the flat part is behind, holding the sill in, and that will allow me now to spot weld that. That's that one, and so on all along. I can reach with this end. I can reach with a conventional end, a conventional electrode, all along here, and right the way along this part of the sill. I've been able to use this combination. Rear light pockets are in. Some seam sealer on the inner wing, all spot welded. Inner wheel arch, sorry, all spot welded there. The inside of the car, got the tank out at the moment. Seam sealer on the edges. The rear seat in, and everything ready. That's the inner wheel arch that I had, and that's the inner wheel arch over there, which I remade to that, using that as a pattern, which you can see on a DVD, or sorry, on a YouTube video that I've made. I've got in the ready for the seat coming in there. That's all for the backing ready. I've fitted the boot lid temporarily just to make sure. That's all the spare wheel in, and the fixing for holding down the spare wheel. Everything ready now, so I can strip out and stop. That's the tunnel, prop shaft tunnel, done and welded in and sealed, ready to go. This end, as you can see, I rebuilt because that was rusted out. Everything else